Hi everybody, welcome to Business Calculus. I'm Isaac Raymond. I'm going to be your instructor. Just wanted to go through the course with you, show you all the basic things. But above all else, the one takeaway I want you to get from this video is that I'm here to help you. Please feel free to ask me questions. I don't want students to be suffering in silence. You're working on Newton, maybe you're really stuck. Don't just keep retrying and retrying questions. Take a break, send me a message, and I'll get back to you with some more supporting material. So you're not in this alone, okay? But start this course just like you would any other course. Make sure to check out the syllabus, the weights of all the assignments. The homework is 30%, tests are 50%. So tests are the biggest portion of this course. So before you take your tests, make sure you use the link that says Newton Review Center, which is kind of like a way to help you study for those tests. Then if you haven't taken online Doral College math course before, we have these things called applied problems. These are just these particular problems. They're like longer word problems where we try to apply the calculus stuff that we've been learning to a real world setting. And then we have discussion boards are a smaller portion of this course. But yeah, make sure to check out the rest of the syllabus. I won't go through the whole thing with you here in this video. But what you'll be doing each week is you'll scroll down in the home section of the Canvas course, and you'll click on your homework assignments and complete them through Newton. Okay, I think I've got the Newton links all set up correctly, but I'm sure one of you will message me if something goes wrong on your end. But I think Newton now automatically creates your account too. But if it doesn't, you should be. It says complete a purchase. Enter here. Don't purchase anything. I think you'll want to maybe click unlock, but I'm on a test account, so I don't want to mess up the way things work, because Newton will bill Doral College after 2 weeks from the beginning of the course. So you'll want to just do like a free trial account, and then you should be able to work on your Newton assignments. But I think I might have to contact somebody at Newton about that. Okay, so yeah, your Newton assignments work right there. If you can't get that test account, just let me know. I'm going to send an email to somebody right after this, because that does look funny. I feel like they might have forgotten about this course. Let's see. Yeah, so when you work on your Newton assignments, Newton will eventually give you like a video or two if you keep getting questions wrong. But if you click Chapter 1 videos here in Canvas, you'll see I've got tons of videos for you. So if you're getting the questions find and understand slope of 2 points wrong, you can just copy and paste this into your web browser, and then you've got a video that's going to help you. Right? Interpret slope as a rate of change. If you're having trouble with that, just copy and paste this in your web browser, and then that's going to be me helping you out. Okay? They're not just random videos I found online. They're videos I've made specifically on your Newton questions. So the discussion boards are a little bit different in this class. When you see those, the first step is to just pick a problem that you're having trouble with and post it, and that's it for the first discussion. Okay? You do not, in the first discussion, you do not have to respond to classmates this week. You're just posting a problem that you keep having trouble with in our calculus course. Okay, and then in discussion 2, let me see. Actually, it might be 3. No, discussion 2, it's the same thing. Now that we've learned some new material, articulate one problem you're really having, with the Newton problem sets or something in our course that you've been working on. And then eventually another discussion board is going to be where we ask you to return to those previous discussions now that we've had more practice. You don't have to respond to your own, but go find a classmate's post and help them figure out what was wrong. Okay? So the discussion boards are a little bit different. The first 2 discussions, all you're doing is you're posting a problem you're having in the course. And then the next 2 discussions, you're going back to those first discussions, and you're helping solve those problems that you and classmates are having trouble with. Because in calculus, you revisit these concepts a few times, and you build on top of them, but sometimes we figure it out the second time we see them. Okay, and then the tests, like we said. So tests are done not through these links. Tests are done through HonorLock. Okay, so you need to click the HonorLock screen, HonorLock link when it's time for tests, and then when you do that, there should be another browser that opens up in Google Chrome, and that's how you insert the password. Okay, I'll post some instructions about that too. But yeah, tests are done through Honorlock, which is a Google Chrome extension. That's how Doral College is proctoring tests these days. Okay, I think that's the basics, but let me know if you need help. I'll be happy to assist you if you're stuck on anything. So this is a business calculus course, depending on what you want to do in the future. This isn't a typical calculus course because we don't do trigonometry. Pretty hard to find applications of trigonometry to business. Okay, so it's not a Calc 1 course that would let you go on to do Calc 2. But we'll do we'll look at some potentially interesting applications of calculus to business. I hope you enjoy it, but just stay in touch and let me know if you need anything.